Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to turn off Headline Analyzer on Monster Insights. If you have the Monster Insights plugin installed on your WordPress website, you will be able to see this Headline Analyzer, which you may not like, but it can be handy for some people. However, if you don't want this here, you have to disable it by going to the admin and then going to the scroll down, going to the insights, then go to the settings. After you go there, you have to scroll down. You know what? You have to go to the publisher section. Go to the publisher and then scroll down, and you'll be able to see this option called disable the headline analyzer. Turn it on and save the settings, and then go to the edit post and then refresh it again to see if it's still there. Okay, we have refreshed the page and that headline analyzer is gone. So this is how you turn off the headline analyzer on Monster Insights. And if you want to turn it on, you know the drill. You just come here and toggle it off and turn on the headline analyzer. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.